Hello everyone. Last time we have used with A1 referencing style the indirect function. So this time we will try to use which is R1C1 methodology to get your transpose all your names. So look at that here I have some names here. So to transpose these names, so generally we can use direct transpose function. You just select from your range, so something like this, you will get the answer. This is so simple and easy process. But the only problem is this transpose function is available in only Office 365, right? So let me delete this one. Let's try with without Office 365 in R1C1 style. So what is R1C1 style? If you want to know, just let me know in the comments. I'll explain in another video. Now this is row number 2. That's the reason I'm giving row number 2. And this column E, 1 2 3 4 5. This is fifth column, so I have given fifth column and double quotes and close the parenthesis. And I'm sorry, here you have to give, whereas in A1 referencing style mentioning this one is not mandatory. Okay, if you don't understand this one, guys, you need to check my last video, which is indirect with A1 referencing style. After watching that video, please watch this one. So then I am using now R1C1 style and close, enter. Now you can see the name is came here, and only thing is when I drag and drop here, this C5 should become to C6 because my next name is in F column, my next name is in G column. So only one logical apply here. In place of C5, let me add ampersand symbol. Let me have row of A5. So row of A5 is gonna give you result which is 5. So when I drag down, this A5 becomes to A6, right? Let me understand this one. Right, look at that. Your answer is, you got it. So now what formula we have used here? Formula to text. That's it. You got it. So indirect R2C row number A5, comma, that is false. False nothing but R1C1 referencing style. So this is so easy. Many of people will not understand this one. So because you need some basics knowledge for this one. So thanks a lot. I hope few of members at least understood this one. If not understood, please let me know in comment section. I'll give you few more examples. Thank you.